Good morning student, this is class 6 GK. Student, open page number 34. Real name of chemical compounds. Can you match these common chemical compound to their real name? Number 1, baking powder. Baking powder, sodium bicarbonate. Mention 1 in front of G. Number 2, bleaching powder. Calcium hypochlorite. Mention 2 in front of N. Number 3, sand. Silicon dioxide. Mention 3 in front of J. Number 4, chloroform. Trichloromethane. Mention 4 in front of H. Number 5, laughing gas. Nitrous oxide. Mention 5 in front of M. Number 6, limestone. Calcium carbonate. Mention 6 in front of O. Number 7, plaster of Paris. Calcium sulfate. Mention 7 in front of L. Number 8, washing soda. Number 8, washing soda, sodium carbonate. Mention 8 in front of E. Number 9, water. Number 9, water, dihydrogen oxide. Mention 9 in front of C. Number 10, common salt, sodium chloride. Mention 10 in front of K. Number 11, dry ice, carbon dioxide. Mention 11 in front of I. Number 12, vinegar, acetic acid. Mention 12 in front of B. Number 13, rust, iron oxide. Mention 13 in front of D. Number 14, mothballs, naphthalene. Mention 14 in front of F. Number 15, caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. Mention 15 in front of A. Now come on to the page number 35. Disease of our bodies. Name the organ of our body affected by the disease given. Number 1, pneumonia affect the lungs. Pneumonia affect the lungs. Number 2, gingivitis affect the teeth. Number 3, conjunctivitis affect the eyes. Conjunctivitis affect the eyes. Number 4, jaundice affect the liver. Jaundice affect the liver. Number 5, migraine affect the head. 6, cholera affect the small intestine. Number 7, and eczema affect the skin. Eczema affect the skin. Number 8, goiter affect thyroid gland. Goiter affect the thyroid gland. Student, now turn your page. Come on to the page number 36. Our constitution. Our constitution. Our country is a democratic country. In fact, India is the largest democratic country in the world. Our country is governed in accordance with certain rules and principles laid down in our constitution. Take the correct answer related to our constitution. Number 1, which part of the constitution contains the directive principle of state policy? Part 2nd, part 3rd and part 4th. So option number C is the correct answer. Part 4 is the correct answer. Number 2, what does part 4th A of the constitution contain? A, fundamental duties, fundamental rights and legal rights. Part 4th A of the constitution contain fundamental duties. Option A is the correct answer. Number 3, how many schedules are there in the Indian constitution? A, 10, B, 11 and C, 12. So 12. Option C is the correct answer. Number 4, the supreme commander of all armed forces in India is A, the Prime Minister, B, the President and C, the Army Chief. So B, the President is the correct answer. Number 5, the Constitution of India is said to be the world's written constitution. Longest. Option number A, longest, B, shortest, C, first. So option A, longest is the correct answer. Number 6, Indian citizen has fundamental rights. A, 5, B, 6 and C, 7. So Indian citizen has 5 fundamental rights. Option A is the correct answer. Number 7. The Constitution of India came into action on A. August 15, 1947, B. January 26, 1947, or C. January 26, 1950. So it is come into action on January 26, 1950. Number 8. The Indian Constitution is divided into A. 22, B. 15, and C. 18. So it is divided into 22 parts. Option B is the correct answer. Number 9. The schedule which deals with the languages in India is A. 5th schedule, B. 8th schedule, and C. 10th schedule. So it is deals with the language in India is 8th schedule. Next, number 10. There are dash languages listed in the Constitution of India. A. 18, B. 19, and C. 20. So there are 18 languages listed in the Constitution of India. Option is the correct answer.